With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, in the question it is given, assertion and reason are given. In assertion part, they are given the viscous force, air resistance, etc. are example of contact forces, and reason, contact force on an object arises due to the contact with some other object. So, there are 4 options and we have to check which option is correct for given assertion and reason. So first one, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is not true, not the correct explanation of A. And A is true but R is false. Both A and R are false. So these are the 4 options given and we have to check which of the option is true. So assertion and reason is given based on the contact force. So first we need to know what do you mean by contact force. So suppose we have one horizontal surface, that is rough surface, not a smooth one, a rough horizontal surface, and if we consider one block which is sliding in this horizontal surface in this direction, imagine that this block is moving in this direction. So there will be a frictional force acting in this direction opposite to that of applied force. So this is our ground and this is the body. So there will be a force due to mass of that object, that is the weight, and there will be a normal reaction force that is upwards. Then contact force arises when two bodies are in contact with each other. Contact force arises when two bodies are in contact with each other. So in this example, this block and the ground are contact with each other, hence there will be a contact force. So there will be a contact force. So this is the contact force. So let us say FC. So when two bodies are contact with each other, then there will be a force called contact force. So the reason is given, contact force on an object arises due to contact with some other object. So this statement is correct. From the definition of contact force, we can easily say that reason given is true. Next we have to check whether assertion is true or not. So it is given viscous force and air resistance forces are etc. are examples of contact forces. So first we consider viscous force. That is, viscous force is acting between two liquid layers. So suppose we have two liquid layers like this. So this is the one layer and this is the another layer. Okay. So suppose the first layer moving with the velocity v2 and second layer moving with the velocity v2. Clearly v2 is greater than v1. Suppose then this is the contact between two liquid surfaces. Hence we can say that it is due to the relative motion. Both the layers are in contact with each other. In this case, both the layers are in contact with each other. Hence we can say that viscous force is one of the example for contact forces. Next we need to check whether air resistance is example for contact force is not. So air resistance. So if we consider one object in here, then air is moving upwards as well as downwards like this. Air is getting contact with this part. Hence there is acting air resistance. Hence there there will be a air resistance, that is the contact with air and this object. Hence this is also an example for contact force. Hence we can say that viscous force and air resistance are the example of contact force. So this statement is also true. Hence we can say both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So this statement is correct option. So this is our answer. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.